Good morning, guys. I guess this could be the second episode of our journey, or this is at least the second day of it. We just slept at Great Divine Trail. That part actually didn't film, but it was super fun. So, it's unfortunate. I wasn't expecting it, but it was super fun trail. But yeah, we're here. We had a good last night. Still brisk. We have Mikey drinking some coffee over there, and Alex just stirring up a pot. But today we're gonna go to the Racehorse Pass. All these trails that we haven't been to, and I think Racehorse Pass is relatively famous here. It looks really good. So it looks really good, high altitude, and just what I've seen on the video, it looks incredible. So we're gonna head over there. I think that's the mountain that we see over there. So I think we're passing through that passage. So that's where we're headed today. I don't think I've put the mic on, so I don't know if it's gonna be very good audio, but yeah, that's where we're headed. We're packing and we're ready to go. We're preparing ourselves for the road ahead, fueling the tank up for the road unknown. We finished packing, getting our gears together. We came off the campsite and drove into the trailhead. Started off nice and easy, and all as expected for now. So this is the start of the, what is it called? The Racehorse Pass. And the leaves are changing colors. The rock over there, the mountain peak is just fabulous. And I've aired down to about 15, and you know what? On a 35, it's very comfortable. It might not look like it, but it is very comfortable. So far so good. Fall season was showing its true colors in October, with vibrant leaves, nice color contrast, with green that are fine, all spruced up. Mountain peaks were rocky on top of its game, and sky as blue and clear as it comes. So we kind of stopped to take a grand photo of just what's behind us. This trail is just awesome. It's spectacular. Yeah, and Mikey just wanted to stop for a quick photo too, because it's such a great, grand area right here. Looks great. Road started to open up, with hundreds of feet of downfall if we slipped. Adding to the thrill of driving on the cliffside is no short of heart-throbbing experience. Yeah, it's got nice flat spots. I think those trees will block the wind too. we're going to North Fork later on, so I think we'll find a good spot, I guess, too.
Yes, that's an excuse for me to come back here.
Yeah, right? It's that good, guys. It's that good. Like this is that scenic is
Yeah, this is a nice
incredible.
someone who's never been. This is really awesome.
Yeah, this is incredible. Like the view, and also it's coming into this tree line. It changes the whole scenic as well, right? Good, you can go first. Dip in it.
Actually, it doesn't move too deep.
Skinny dip. Yo, look at that view too. This is where I had the most thrilling experience. The drop seems much steeper and higher than what's seen here. And I didn't see that drop coming. So this is what I came down. You know, I didn't see it at first, but that dip was crazy beyond. Like I barely caught up. And Mike said I lifted on the back, even with the amount of lift I have. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So here, I mean, it just looks like a rocky surface. It's not too big of a deal. But then, right there, this is crazy. Wow. So I'm just gonna show. I mean, the Jeep would be able to make it no problem, and mine has a good 5-inch lift, so I made it. But wow, I'll just show you guys that. Wow. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that is crazy. That dip from there to there. It's like almost my height. Look at it. Oh, can't really see. But yeah, I'm at my shoulder. That's how big that dip was. View's incredible here too. But we all made it. I said Mike to follow me too, but as soon as I went down there, I was like, no, Mike, you're not making down there. But yeah, I think this is basically the end of the trail for the Racehorse Pass. So we're gonna go out and then go to the North Fork after this. There is a side road that can be taken for less modified vehicles. Though, I do wonder if the truck would have made it through that slope. We have a long ways ahead, so we didn't take the risk. But maybe we'll find out in the future one day. maybe a little bit more. Fill it with some small rocks. Yeah, that should be good. This what proves challenging for smaller cars and lower cars here is there's a lot of these small rocks, or not small, I guess it's pretty big rocks and steep hill, and it bottoms out a lot. So I think that's the proven difficulty in this trail. You have to guide them. Yeah, slowly. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Mikey, yeah. No, that was actually not that bad. With that there, yeah. The rock there, it's not as bad.
Yeah, but needs more tall for sure.
Maybe this one down here. That one? Here, this was shaped like a staircase. It was a lot more difficult than it looks. We did take some caution on our vehicles, but the front here did scrape a lot at the back of the vehicle. The departure angle on the front here, or the trucks in general, is not as great as some of the wagons or the SUVs.
The rock in the middle, just careful.
Yeah, it's too bad, Alex. No water left.
There's no water!
You drank it all. I think we're gonna have to watch out for Mikey. I think Mike is hating his life right now.
My car telling me to go home.
You leash it and just grab it. So there you have it, guys. That was the Racehorse Pass. We just passed it, and we got to the end of the trail of the Rocky section, and now we're back into the Great Divide Trail. So we're headed back to the North Fork Trail, and hopefully we can get there by 2, so we can pass the North Fork and camp for the night around 5 or 6 o'clock. But the view continues to be great, and this is definitely a must for those people who wants to get a great experience on the trail. Diverse, except for water crossing, unfortunately. Except for the water crossing. But this is a great trail. It's an awesome experience that I had, and it was, yeah, I didn't expect this much. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, this is the end of this trail. We'll talk to you guys later.